Find features that distinguish it from other brands for YIEPET Jewelry Automatic Spot Welding Machine, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. High quality design. The Pulse Argon Arc Welding Machine is small in size, safe and stable, light in weight only 8 kg, 1 key switch welding mode, 5 quick modes, can adjust the power and welding time, change the welding performance parameters. High efficiency, pulsed argon ARC welding machine, with the function of laser welding machine, equipment cost and operation cost is much lower than laser welding machine. Pulse argon ARC welding machine, production in strict accordance with international standards and customer requirements. Small and exquisite, stainless steel body, long service life. High-frequency TIG non-contact arc ignition reduces tungsten and material consumption. Widely used, suitable for home DIY and general maintenance work. Can be used for pure gold welding, pure silver welding, titanium welding, and orthodontic, cobalt chromium alloy welding, metal workpiece welding, dental welding, jewelry repair welding, jewelry DIY production. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.